One of the best houses here in Quezon City, nandito sa PT Mini Subdivision. Merong car garage and very spacious living area. And of course, yung kitchen natin, malawak din. Meron din tayong dirty kitchen and maid's room or storage room. Meron din tayong toilet and bowl dito sa ground floor. Tara, akit tayo. Meron tayong 3 bedrooms dito sa itaas. Yung una, ito po, ganito siya kalaki. And this is our master's bedroom. May sariling CR. And balcony. Hindi ko lang mabuksan. So, yan. Very spacious, malaki yung master's bedroom natin. Perfect for family na gustong malapit sa hospital, FEU, NRMF, and Falcon School. Malapit din po ito. And of course, sa Hope Christian Academy. And this is our second bedroom. And first bedroom, ito po. So, bababa na po tayo. So, marami pong tumitingin ng house nila nito at nagpapa-schedule ng viewing pa kasi napakaganda ng location. So, message nyo lang po ako for viewing